Hi everyone, my name is Nitin Chora. I'm a licensed physical therapist. Now, having consulted with physical therapy private practices over the last 10 years, having worked with thousands of practice owners, having bought and sold multiple businesses, I've learned one thing. What I've learned is hiring is almost like marketing. Now, here's what I mean by that. When you're hiring, you want to identify, you want to attract, you want to retain, and you want to motivate staff members so that they become essentially your missionaries, if you will, that they help you fulfill the mission of your practice. Now, a lot of us, when we hire, we sort of hire the first person that comes along. We hire someone who has the qualifications. But remember, you need to hire slow and fire fast. The individuals you hire are extremely important in your business. You want to be very careful about who you hire. You want to make sure they fit in with your systems, your processes. You want to make sure they improve the systems and the processes. You don't just want them to be members of your business. You want them to contribute to your practice. You want them to improve your practice. You want them to expand your business to new horizons. And in return, they should get compensated fairly and they should grow as well. So think of hiring as a process that's almost as important, if not more important, than actually marketing for your practice. Be very good at hiring. One of the single most important skills for private practice owners is being good leaders and being able to hire and manage the right people. Once again, you need to identify, you need to attract, you need to retain, and you need to motivate staff members. So there are 4 steps: identify, attract, retain, and continuously motivate staff members, because when you do that, your staff members will take your practice to the next level. This is what I call as a high lifetime value activity for you. It's one of those things that may seem important, but it's not urgent. So we actually don't get sort of involved in it. Don't get stuck in things that pull you in different directions. Do the things that are important, do the things that matter, and hiring and leadership is one such activity. I hope this helps, and we look forward to seeing you at one of our events soon. Thanks.